Who said you can't have a pizza party for breakfast? Well, by golly, we're gonna do it today. We got a breakfast pizza that you will be sure to want to fix on your Blackstone pizza oven. Y'all stay tuned, it's gonna be some good groceries. All right, before we get started, y'all, we gotta make our gravy. We gotta get our sausage cooked, some bacon, and some eggs. So let's head on over to the griddle, and we got some sausage and we have bacon going at the same time. To make your gravy, we want to get the fat from our sausage and our bacon that we're also cooking. About 1 tablespoon of flour to 1 tablespoon of fat will make a really lovely roux here. Once your roux is nicely cooked, we're going to drizzle in some of our milk. Ooh, and it's going to start tightening up pretty much immediately. Whisk all those lumps out. You want to give that a try just for your salt and your pepper. It needs both. I'll add a few cracks of pepper. I'll add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, now it's time to cook our eggs. We're going to get 3 eggs into a bowl, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I like to add just a little bit of milk. We're going to scramble these up. Get it onto a low heat griddle. We'll put a little butter down first, then put our eggs right on top of that. You basically want to barely cook these eggs because they're going to cook just a little bit more in a pizza oven, okay? When it starts getting a little bit firm around the edges, I will then just flip it over just like that. And there's all of our items for our breakfast pizza. I do want to chop up our bacon, and my bacon I've left a little bit more floppy than what I would typically, since it'll cook more in the oven. All right, buddies, hey, we got our bacon, we got our sausage, we got our eggs, we got our gravy, we got all that done. Last night, we made this New York style pizza dough. Find that over on the Blackstone products website. This has been out at room temperature for about 2 hours now. It'll make it really nice and supple to form and stretch, okay? Also, about 30 minutes ago, I pre-warmed my pizza oven. So you make sure you want to do that. And we'll get it up to about 500, 550 degrees. Now the fun part. The fun part begins. And this right here is semolina flour and just a little bit of all-purpose flour. All right, we got our flour down. Look at our beautiful, beautiful dough. Flop that onto that side, and we're gonna come onto this side. Just wanna start shaping our dough. As you can see, this dough works very nicely. That's why I love it. Don't lose focus of what's the bottom, what's the top. This is our bottom, actually. You wanna get a little cute, kind of come, just use your hands. All right, that right there, perfect. Got it nice and laid out. Gonna have a little bit of a crust. All right, guys, so we are ready to start building our pizza. We're gonna come in first, some of our gravy, just like a regular old pizza sauce. All right, cheese. I thought I would do a combination of, this is Monterey Jack cheese, and then we're gonna do a cheddar cheese. We put our sausage on here, coming in with our bacon, come in with our egg. Now, how about a little bit more cheese here, just to help protect those eggs slightly? Oh, that's perfect. Let's get this on the pizza peel and get it into the oven. Just take your pizza peel and just come in here with, I like to try to pick this up and just one little motion. A little bit falls off, it's okay. Not a big deal. That semolina helps everything just kind of stay loose. Not a problem, not a problem. All right, again, we're at about 550 degrees. Bring your pizza in and about where you want it. I like to cut the turntable off just slightly, and then you want to start to shimmying that off just like that. Cut it on. Now you're good to go. All right, for that last minute or so, guys, I like to ramp my pizza oven temperature up. Really gets that crust nice and dark. Ooh, boy, I think this is done. Oh my word. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that pizza right there. Ooh, you hear that? Look at that. The crust is perfect. Man, I love this dough. It just works so well. The only thing this got left to do, we just got to dress her up just a little bit with some of these here green onion tops. There you have it, y'all. Breakfast pizza on the Blackstone pizza oven. It don't get any better than this. There's nothing left to do here, folks, but to cut this thing and give it a try. Let's give this right here. It's got my name written all over it. Woo, doggies, look at that. Take a look at where that crust, you can kind of see those holes in there. That's pretty, pretty, pretty. Cheers, y'all. Those eggs, where we kind of left them a little soft, man, they cooked up nicely. I was a little worried, but Perfect, perfect, perfect. The gravy really works well here, y'all. And then the sausage and that bacon, it's crisped up. Gosh, it's good. Put some more of that gravy right there. Woo! That's the ticket right there, putting a little bit more gravy on it. Y'all give this a try. I guarantee your crowd will absolutely love it. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and this is a pizza party.